How to fix iPhone if outgoing calls don't ring. In this quick step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through how to fix your iPhone if outgoing calls don't ring. Start by opening Control Center, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and tap on the airplane mode icon to enable it. This cuts off all wireless connections, Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth. Wait a few seconds, then tap it again to reconnect. This helps your phone re-establish a fresh connection with nearby towers. If that doesn't fix it, go to Settings Cellular and tap on your carrier line, such as AT&T, Verizon, etc. Turn it off and then turn it back on after a few moments. This reactivates your line and often resolves any temporary carrier glitches. Still not ringing? Head back to the main settings screen and scroll down to Phone. Tap on it, then find and open the Wi-Fi calling option. If it's turned off, switch it on. This allows your iPhone to make and receive calls using your Wi-Fi network, which is especially useful when you're in an area with weak cellular signal. Enable the option when prompted by your carrier. These simple steps can resolve the frustrating issue of silent outgoing calls and get your iPhone working like it should. If this helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone fixes.